Hi guys, good morning. Good morning from Doha. So ngayon yung ating second day dito. I-prepare lang kami saglit for breakfast. Nakabihis na ako. Ayan, t-shirt lang. Hindi ko na plinadya. Ganyan. And then leggings. Ano ko na yun? Ayan. Paano wala akong tripod? Mag-ayos lang ako saglit. Powder lang and then konting blush. Tapos lipstick. So, ito yung powder na dala ko. Get Ready With Me na Cameo ang shade niya. Pinili ko pa to sa Pinas nung last na uwi namin. Maganda siya. Tapos ka na. Tingnan mo. Ako yung naunang mag-prepare. Patapos na naman siya. Slow mo. Ano yan? Parang wala naman nangyayari. Powder pero. And then blush. Ever Bilena. Ito din. Bili ko din sa Pinas. Fever Dream. Okay na yan. Para lang hindi tayo masyadong maputla naman. And then, lipstick. Nasa bag ko isa. Ito yung makeup bag na dala ko. Actually, ito yung gift nila Jane nung Christmas. Ginamit ko na. Nag-sweater ako kasi parang malamig. So, try natin yung suot. Yan. Okay. Let's go. Gamit ko yung bag ni Ed kasi mas malaki. Na may breakfast. Wait nga, totoo ba? Dito yung susi. Ito yung breakfast area. Ayan. I like that bread.
Did you see the coffee? Ito na coffee.
I think this is... last one. Coffee. Magra-rice ka? Oh, pancakes. They have pancakes.
What is this?
Oh, scrambled egg. Okay guys, nakuha na kami ng aming food. Meron kaming rice, turkey bacon, potato wedges, chicken sausage, and of course, cucumber, and boiled egg. Tapos yung bread, ito yung kakalagay lang, bagong make. And kumuha din siya. Watermelon, may pancakes, may, pinya. Tapos yun lang din. Ay, meron kang mushroom. And chicken pala. And coffee, of course. Okay. Kain, guys. Ay, hindi sa may coffee hall. Ako.
Lang.
Paabot rin ng kutsara and, tinidor and knife.
Sumatay.
Ganyan talaga. Pero rolling pa din. Na rin ako. Kumakong coffee. Mali ko siya na ilagay. Mali pala dapat. Lalo na ko
Umabot.
Umabot mo. Tumulo lang konti. Guys, update. 11:55 na. And naka-ready na kami. Ito yung ating outfit. Yan, naka-blue akong sando. Pants. And then itong sweater na gray. Tapos same bag. Isa lang naman yung bag na dinala ko. Yan yung ating makeup for today. Meron din akong sunnies. And then, mag-iipit ako mamaya. Pero for now, ganyan muna. Sure. And then, yung kanyang outfit. Sweater. And then, black pants and shoes. Let's go. Okay. Guys. Ay, picture muna daw. Wait lang.
Two. 1, 2.
Alright. We're out. We're out, guys. Tumakbo kami kasi yung stoplight nila ang bilis nung green. Tapos yung red at tagal. Parang mga 3 seconds lang yung green tapos mag-blue na siya. Malaki pa naman yung daanan nila. Ilan itong lanes? 1, 2, 3, 4.
6.
6 lanes.
12 lanes.
Oo. Tumakbo kami.
But your parents came in the cul-de-sac, leaned back in a leather-clad seat, pack of spirits in your party bag. Suburban summer 17 was a roller coaster ride, a manic pixie dream girl right beside me, and she said she liked me, but I bet it was a right thing running about the wrong time. And I think maybe if I'd held on tight, she'd still be sitting by my side. I'll never know, I'll never know. I don't like messing with regrets, but I doubt you ever leave my head. What could I have done, could I have said? I'll never know, I'll never know.
Walang tao. Kala ko kanina, operating ba ito? Walang tao. Meron, pakunti-kunti. Okay, where are we going?
Red, I think.
Cute nung ano nila. Cute nung card.
Yeah, red nga. Red to Lake Taifia. Check the red if it's going to Lake Taifia.
Ayan o, Lucille.
Asan? Ayan, Lake Taifia. So, red.
So maybe it was just the right thing running about at the wrong time. And I think maybe if I'd held on tight, she'd still
Nalantahan ko ka tawid. Ilan yung tinawag? Kita mo ulit tao. See? Ang tao.
Ayan.
Ang tao, di ba? Ayan. Ganyan ako ka-sweet.
Wow! Okay. So, love this camera.
So, Europe na tayo dun.
Guys, we made it. Galing. Galing ng taga-Google
There
Maps.
we go. Pero, Europe.
Okay, guys, we made it dito sa Place Vendôme. Place Palace. Basta
Nakalagay
yun.
sa harap palace, pero sa Google Map place eh.
Place. Sobrang social ng mall.
As in palace nga talaga siya.
Oo.
Literal.
Tapos may fountain show din. Pero hanap muna kami ng makakainan kasi lunch na. Lampas lunch na pala.
Actually,
Punta kami food court. So, isa pa. Okay guys, dito na kami sa food court. Yan ang itsura ng food court dito sa Place Vendome. Galing kami dun sa kabilang side. Mali pala yung pinuntahan namin. Pero same floor. So yan, hanap na namin yung food court. May Jollibee dun. Kita nyo ba? Hindi ko alam. Nasa doon sa dulo. So dito kami nag-order. Japanese cuisine. Nakita ako ng ramen. Tapos, ang binera namin ay 78 reals. Yung miso ramen nila is 27. Yung order ni Ed na teppanyaki salmon is 45. And then isang soda, 6.
Super yummy.
Wow! Uy! Ang bango ata ng order.
Wow!
Ang ganda pa ng lighting. Oh!
Oh! Ano guys? Wait, buksan ko to. Wow!
Ito yung sa akin. Ano nga itong sa'yo?
Garlic teppanyaki.
Yes. Ang bango. Amen.
It's hot. Pero this is what I like. Sa lasa ng salmon. Nandun pa rin yung smoky flavor niya. Pero the umami.
Parang hindi na ako naniniwala. Naging chef na bigla.
Ano siya panchunde?
Parang inihaw na.
True, di ba? Alam mo, binibiro kita.
She's not a celebrity, but she's taken. So can't help falling in love. Can't take the hint and give up. My mama told me don't talk to people you haven't met. I guess my mama was right. But it's not 'cause everybody you meet is dangerous, but 'cause they'll break your heart. 'Cause she plays it so cool, making up her own rules, and I'm a loser for thinking I've got
Tingin.
any
Kaliwa ko, kaliwa ko. Yan. Tingin dito. 1, 2.
'Cause I've got an internet crush. She's not a celebrity, but she's taken. Still can't help falling in love. Can't take the hint and give up. I've got an internet crush. Internet crush. Internet crush. Internet crush. But if we met somewhere else, would things be different? Or am I wasting my time? Overanalyzing everything that I never said. Why can't I make up my mind? 'Cause she plays it so cool, making up her own rules, and I'm a loser for thinking I've got any shot in the dark. Now it's hitting me hard. Tell me, what am I supposed to do? 'Cause I've got an internet crush. She's not a celebrity, but she's taken. Still can't help falling in love. Can't take the hint and give up. I've got it. Internet crush.
Ito na ba yung Almaha Island?
Yun yung start ng Almaha Island. Yung block.
Okay, ayan. Sarap dito. Sarap ng hangin. Very relaxing. Kasi ito yung view namin.
Mas mabango
Ito
yung
yung dagat.
Oh,
Sobrang relaxing dito.
kaya amoy talaba.
Yan. Tapos sakto lang yung hangin. Hindi siya ganun kalamig pa. By the way, ang oras na natin 4:15. Yan yung view namin. Isa sa mga icon ng Qatar. Yung building na yan. Babalik kami sa mall din mamaya para sa fountain show. Punta kami dito para sa sunset sana. Kasi
Kasi
wala
hindi
pa.
natin kita yung sunset dito eh. Doon na tayo mag-sunset.
Saan ba ang... dito.
Oh.
Okay. Gusto mo maglakad? Let's go. Na-check ko na nga.
kulay doon ah.
Baka ako lang yung
Sana
nakita
ganyan
mo.
din
Ako lang yun. Tara na. Hindi ka na nakakatuwa eh.
Ikaw ay hindi ah.
Oh, ka dito lang. Tignan mo. Wow, nasa Qatar talaga tayo guys. Wala to sa bingo card namin this year eh. Pero humabol siya sa January eh. Pinadala sa Qatar eh. Mahangin. Rinig nyo pa ba
Rinig
ako?
kaya yan?
Oo nga, hindi ko sure kung rinig nyo ako pero mahangin na. Kasalubong namin yung hangin.
Ito yung Arabian Sea. Yan na, Al-Maha Island.
I can be stubborn, thinking I'm right. I can be late, cause I'm taking my time. I can be driven, ambitious. Your best friend, love of your life. I can be selfish, trying to be kinder. Always forgetting, needing reminders. But I'll always be there when you need me. Cause I know that two things can't be true. Cause I get so confident yet confused. So I'll let go to live in between who I am and who I wanna be.
Hey guys, papunta na kami sa pabalik na kami sa hotel. Ay, hotel. Sa mall. Ito na siya. Doon kami galing sa kabilang side. Wala na. Tapos na yung sunset. Dito kami sa may footbridge. Okay na? Alright. Binidyohan niya lang yung flag na Qatar.
Wala yung flag eh.
Ay, wala. Hindi lang mabas ulit.
Hindi na. Mahalaga na kunan mo.
Ayun, ayun. Bilis, bilis, bilis. 10. Okay. Yun. Tingnan mo. back dito sa hotel. Medyo kanina pa. Nag-dinner na din kami. So, iba yung last na vlog ko, yung nasa mall pa. Hindi na ako nag-video nung pabalik namin kasi same lang naman. So, yun din yung sinakyan namin. Nag-metro din kami and then tram. And medyo napagod na. Nakakapagod maglakad kasi mula kaninang umaga pa. So, anyway, ang dinner na lang namin is dumaan kami ulit sa Jollibee. Kasi tinatamad na kayo mag-isip. Sabi namin, what if Jollibee na lang yung dinner natin ulit? Ay, nag-agree naman kami pareho. So, Jollibee it is. At tapos lang namin kumain. Tinake away namin siya. Ayan. Dito na kami kumain. Kasi sabi ko parang mas feel kong magkamay. So, yun. Ito yung tea ko is Lipton ulit. Ito yung baon ko. I know, not Lipton. Twinings na. Green tea and lemon. Actually, yun na. Iko-close ko na tong vlog, guys. Maghihilamos na after. And then, magpa-plancha pa kasi Ed. Kasi bukas, yun na yung start ng event. Yun yung main reason kung ba't kami punta ng Doha. So, actually ngayon start pero hindi naman sila required pumunta pa. So, sabi niya bukas na lang siya pupunta. I'm planning na dito lang ako sa hotel bukas. Gusto kong mag-edit. Sana maka-edit ako. Yung mga vlogs ko, parang last na upload ko, nasa ano pa kami. Vienna pa lang ata, pa Munich pa lang. Ano na, February na guys. February 1 na today. Though sabi ni Ed, labas daw ako. But, we'll see. So far, yun yung gusto kong gawin. Mag-edit. So, yun. Yun yung ating first day ng gala. Maganda yung pinuntahan namin. Though, kung i-compare, di ba meron silang fountain show? Kung i-compare namin yung fountain show ng Burj Khalifa, ayun, mas maganda yung sa Dubai pa rin. Kasi yung pinuntahan namin kanina yung parang may dagat. Maganda rin doon. Very relaxing maglakad-lakad. So anyway, yun lang for today guys. I'm gonna close this vlog. Thank you for watching and see you